What's good, YouTube? This is John 12D, another video for you guys. As you can see, another box. Let's see what we have here. I'm just gonna open it real quick. Copies online, of course. That's where it's shipped. So yeah, we'll see what this is. So there we go. Here's all the receipts. I got it from No Tray, I guess. No Tray. Got some stickers there. Here we go. We got a NMD R1. These are the blue colorway. So yeah, let's get the shoe. Oh, there's a paper Adidas logo. Here we go. NMDs. We got the mesh. They're pretty hard. But yeah, NMD, the blue colorway. Finally have an NMD, but these are not the prime knit. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. The brand with 3 stripes. Right there. Boost. Gotta love the Boost technology. Here's the other pair. Right here. I wish it was 3M, the stripes right here. But it's not. Yeah. Alright, you guys. That's pretty much it. NMDs. Adidas are killing it. There was a lot of NMDs that released, the prime knits and the Chukka and the other ones as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Subscribe and like. Peace.